Today we're going to demonstrate how to make Thanksgiving pie. First thing we need is, what's the first thing we need, Jeff? How about, yes, we need some olives. Today, Thanksgiving pie with olives. It's going to be an interesting pie, and, there it is. There it is, that's a little messy today, but, I'll just, we cracked across the middle. It's not big deal. Well, that's a strong awesome. I really think the family's going to enjoy an olive pie. Next, we need, what is this? Hey, Vienna sausage. What is Thanksgiving pie without Vienna sausage? These, we're going to open them, but it's probably, it's a little circular after paneling olives. Yes, we should have done that. We'll say those for later. Yes, we'll save those for later. A little layer of mustard. Mustard goes well. I'll just make sure that,
I'm recording, stop.
But it'll work. That's, yes, we got to spread it all up in one spot. Because what would Thanksgiving pie, see? We've got to have that shit up the camera. Thank you. Next, before you use the olives. Hey, how about some vanilla wafers? Make a nice little crust to go on top of the olives and mustard. So, we'll carefully place it. We have to crush a couple too, without the, and, we just don't want to keep it all on one side. We may want to. Vanilla wafers, just for some reason, they have that wonderful flavor. Yes. Hey, marshmallows. What is Thanksgiving without marshmallows? We've got to have them on yams. We've got to have them. Yep, this bag's hard to open too, especially after pregnant. Mustard and, it smells good. I forgot how good this smells when we're making it. And, mushrooms. I wish we had some mushrooms. The marshmallows will work for us today. We're definitely throwing up one side of this pie, and it's going to even out today. See? Just like that. So we, this helps get the mustard and the olive grease off our hands. And, thank you. It's a great, this pie. It smells wonderful. Thank you. It smells just great. I'm so glad you're joining us to have this wonderful Thanksgiving pie. Now, is there anything else we're missing? No? I think it's about ready to go in the oven at 350. Maybe? Looks good to me. So, thank you for joining us, and we'll try to